everyone, it's Rita, Craft Today with Rita Renee, and I have a small haul for you today, and I will start with Dollar General. I went in and they had some of their clothes at 90% off, so all 5 of these I paid $9.98, and that was with tax. And they are for winter, of course. And it was so funny, I had them laying here on the couch and both the kids come in and said, "Whose shirts are those? I want those." I'm like, really? So, yeah. And then this one, Mossy Oak t-shirt. It's the only short sleeve that I could find that was on sale. And this one's a Tennessee Volunteer. Another flannel. And this is like a thermal Tennessee Volunteer, or well, it says Tennessee. So yeah, that's it for Dollar General. But I thought that was a really good deal, $9.98 for all those, and that's with tax, so yep. And Dollar Tree, picked up these flip-flops, and after I picked them up, I remembered somebody said that they break real easy, but maybe they'll last a little while. And one more pair. I'll put these closer so you can see the design. It says "Fun in the Sun." And this one's just the pink flamingo. And I did get 2 of the hanging baskets. They're stuck together now. But I want to do a DIY with these and put them together and put lights in them and make an orb to go outside. Anyway, I can't get them untangled right now, but you know what I'm talking about. It's just, this is 2 stuck together. Let's see. They had all kind of stuff, a lot of different new stuff, but a lot of it I did not get. This is just a sign for Independence Day, proud to be an American. And there's a burlap bow. And I think I had one more thing. This little wall decor. If I can get it to turn around, it's on burlap. I picked up, and I don't really know why, but I got them. They're plastic plates with the flamingo. I got 4 of those. And they had the matching bowl, and I got 4 of those also. But these are plastic. This says fishing net decor. I don't know what it looks like out of the package yet. And I don't really know what you would do with it, but I thought I could probably use it for something in a DIY. And then I got these paper cutouts. It's mason jars, watermelon, orange slice, a strawberry, and maybe grapefruit that are in here. There's one of the mason jars, and there's a few of the others back there, but right there it shows you what's in there. I thought I could use those as stencils if nothing else. I just got 2 packs of paper plates for the 4th of July. These are 9 by 9, and there's 14 in each one. So that's those. I saw someone haul these, I don't remember who, but they're called cover-ups, and they're like bowl covers. I think they kind of look like shower caps, but you can cover your bowls with them. And I got another gray drying mat because I set a hot pan on mine and it melted it. And for the girls, this was so funny last night, guys, because they opened one. I bought 2 of these, what are they called? Luau skirts. And they did have these in green also. So I got 2 of those. And they've got stuff all tangled up. Hang on, guys. I don't know what's going on here. Okay, sorry about that. I had to get it untangled. But then this I bought also. I got 2 of these, and it's called a lei accessory set, a 4-pack. It's 1 necklace, 2 bracelets, and 1 head wrap. So there's that. This is the head wrap, and then it's got 2 of the shorter ones, the bracelets. And then this is the funny part. If anyone saw the video with my girls making brownies, Sasha is the youngest, and she's a little big up top. So I bought these. Oh, it was so funny. She had a shirt on. She couldn't, no way, put them on without a shirt. And Georgiana even kept her shirt on as well. But it was so funny when I come in with these. Sasha was like, I can't wear those. Patty, if you're watching, I know you know. Anyway, guys, it was really funny. But this is called a bikini top. And they, of course, took it out of the pack, but yeah. And they did have the white, and they had black also. So that's it, guys, for today. And I'm working on a piece of furniture I picked up at Goodwill. Paid 10 bucks for it. I want it to go in my bathroom. It's just a short cabinet, but I really like the lines on it, and you'll see a video of that coming up soon. I'm thinking chalk paint, and I'm going to try to decoupage something on it. So stay tuned for that video. If you like this one, please give it a big thumbs up. If you have subscribed to my channel, I appreciate your support. If you haven't, I'd love to have you. And as always, guys, like, share, and comment, and hit that notification bell too, so you'll be notified of my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.